Welcome to MT Kidz.
Hi guys, this is Ajey, Kristen here and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we will be seeing how to install Reactive Wallpaper. So yesterday's video we have seen about how to install live wallpaper. So today we are going to see how to install Reactive Wallpaper. So first you have to install the same wallpaper, the lively wallpaper yesterday we had installed. I again deleted it just for a video, and so search lively wallpaper, LIVELY, lively wallpaper, and boom, it has been came. So install, I have already got it, so I'm just clicking install. For you guys, you have to get it and install. This is just free only guys, not much to talk about this. Okay, it's free for all, not for this particular person, not for that particular person, not like that. It's free for all. Okay, so let's open this. So if you open this itself, there will be a bunch of wallpaper pre-installed on this app. So let's minimize this. Okay, I was about to say App Store or Play Store, but Microsoft Store came to mind. Okay, so there are a lot of wallpaper guys you can choose from. There's the ribbon wallpaper, there's the waves. So now comes the thing, the video's main part. So first do here, and okay, you may tell, oh Ajey, this is just a normal wallpaper. How can we do this to React? And you are in the right place. If you click left button on your mouse, so it will react like it has been never reacted before. So this is the first reactive wallpaper. So let's move on to the second one. So this is the second reactive wallpaper, fluids. Wow, look at the colorful startup. You may do like this, and like this. And boom, look at this, bro. Guys, this is awesome. Look at the frame, it's forming. Wow. It's colorful, right? But if it mixes up with its rest of its color, it's like becoming a bit ugly. I don't like so much contrast colors, guys. I just like colorful colors, not blacky, whitey, not even pure white. I just want the medium. Okay, so this is the second wallpaper. So the third wallpaper is this one. So guys, look at this. So if we move the cursor in the desktop anywhere, the light will come along with the cursor. Okay, so this is the feature of this wallpaper. According like this, is this too reactive? This is just reactive, but we can move the screen like this, which is unexpected. I haven't even saw this. So this is the fourth one, I guess. Fourth one, yeah. It's just simple waves. And now coming to the fifth reactive wallpaper is this one. So look at this, guys. So these are all waves made up of wood. I don't know, it's a creative mind, I guess. So there's a lighthouse, okay, anything like that. There's a lighthouse there, and there are some waves, wavy waves, and there are some clouds up here hanging on the sky, and there's a huge tsunami on the way. So yeah guys, this is the, I guess, fifth wallpaper. And coming to the sixth wallpaper, this wallpaper is a bit educational and bit fun. So look at this guys, look at this, just look at this. You may think this is just like a periodic table, but it doesn't. It's actually a live wallpaper. No, reactive wallpaper. Don't change the title. So look at this. You can change this. Whoa. And what this is it. This is so simple, but the main thing hasn't come here. Look at this. If you click this, it will come like this. I don't know what these numbers mean for, but it's argon. It's a type of compound element. Okay, so that comes oxygen. Do you guys know what is boron mean? Boron. So that, what is that name? Starting word like BA, not HA. That's not HA. It's SBTE. So shall I tell the answer? That is B. B is the answer for boron. And zinc, you guys already know. ZN is for zinc. So guys, this is the periodic table wallpaper. So, and coming to the last one, this is also a live reactive wallpaper. So let's check this out. I haven't checked this out. So see here guys. Wow, the water ripple. This is awesome. Wow, this is cool, bro. Guys, this is cool. Why haven't checked out this? The before itself. Wow, this is amazing. Mind blasting. Okay guys, it's telling in the center, please enter the openweathermap.org API/city information correctly. I don't know what that means, but it means something. So I'm ending the video right here guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to smash like and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos like this. And I'll see you all in the next one.